back to Patriot Contraptions. Today, I'm showing you guys one of my all-time favorite sailboats and probably the best budget boat that I can think of to get started in sailing. This is the Sea Snark 100, and I've been sailing it my entire life. So, what makes this boat so special? Well, it's been in my family for over 50 years and we still all love it. And part of the reason for that is because of its all-foam construction. This boat cannot sink. It's simply full of foam. It will not fall over, it will not fall apart. You can run it into the rocks, you can do all sorts of stuff to it, and it still just keeps on floating. It's amazing. The other part that I really love about this boat is how simple it is. For example, take this rudder right here. It's super simple to install. It only has a single pin on the back that simply drops in to hold it in position, and that steers the entire boat. The other thing I like about this is that because the boat is so light, like probably less than 50 pounds, you can sail it in almost no wind. As you can tell, the water's like glass out here, and I'm still going upstream against a 2-mile current with only 6 miles per hour of wind on and off occasionally. No problems whatsoever. It's just that light of a boat. So it's next up, let's take a look at how easy it is to rig the sails. So the rigging on the sails includes one D-ring on the middle of the boom, and then another one on the end of the boom, and then the line comes back and attaches to a third D-ring on the back. So nothing to it there. This is a super simple boat to rig up, super simple boat to get in the water. I got it in the water in less than 5 minutes today. Now, as far as the mast on the front, that's even simpler. There's a tube down at the base of the mast right there that slides into the wood, and then on top of that, the mast goes in, goes up, there's a rope that goes over the top of it, comes down, and straps to the front of the boat. Not much to that either. Tie it up, good to go. So overall, I absolutely love this boat. I highly recommend any of you guys out there get the chance to pick up one of these boats. The Sea Snark 100s are just phenomenal beginner sailboats. I love these boats. I think I saw them on Marketplace for like $200, which is a steal of a deal. Like, I would love to have another one of the newer ones because the company's actually still around, and it would be really, really cool to compare this boat, which is like a 1964, to a new Sea Snark 100 and just see what improvements they've actually made. Because honestly, like, I don't know what improvements they could make to this boat. It's so simple, so rugged, and so dependable. I just love it. So there you have it, the best budget dependable sailboat, Sea Snark 100. Check this thing out if you guys ever get a chance. And hey, we just got some wind, so I'm gonna go sailing, y'all. Woo.